kachiel kod YouTube. Machiegni nyinga en James Opondo. Onge mar network motegno mar tudruok ema oyangi ni osethiro lwenj kedo kod mahundu kod kuo jamni e kaunti ma Baringo kod gwenge mamoko nyandwat mar hoho mar okak. Kanowuoyo e gwenge mag Mogotio e kinde mane oyawo mbui mar Wi-Fi, jagol mogirore e migawo mar tudruok gi lony manyasani John Tanui olero ni migawo mar weche tudruok dhi twak gi kembe mag tudruok kaka Safaricom gi Airtel mondo omed masinde mag tudruok e gwengego. Jaod bura Mogotio Ruben Kiborek bende nokwayo yaro tudruok e gwengego kaka yor kelo yot e tudruok e kind obila kod jogo makelo mahundu e gwengego.
Kama kutoka samana yako mbali Emily Mora pia na hali ilivyo hapo chini.
We've also discussed about the network coverage in this region, which is highly disadvantaged, and to see how we can work with our mobile network operators, Safaricom, Airtel, and all the others to see that we improve the coverage in this region, because coverage is key for economic development, is critical for our security, and even useful for our education and even the e-commerce and the digital space that we are really caring to progress our country towards. So we've agreed to work together, both the public and the private sector, to see how we can address this network issue. One of the things is the fiber connectivity we are doing will play a foundational role to make sure connectivity can be done easily in the region, because with the fiber connected to the base stations, you'll be able to easily access the broadband like 4G and 5G. So we are going to ensure that we fast track this work we are doing. Secondly, we are also going to engage our mobile network operators to see what other quick wins they can put in place so that we can have the region well covered, at least for communication, so that in case of security issues or any basic communication issues, this should not be an hindrance.
Baringo is one of the areas listed as priority in terms of network coverage. That is according to the PS and the ministry, and we hope that in the next 2 or 1 year we'll be able to get network coverage in Baringo, and it will be in a very big way in terms of tackling insecurity, because it will be easy to even track criminals using phones, and it can be easy to track their movement and to know where they are hitting next and even get intelligence.